What's happening, guys? What's happening? You know, I'm your boy Kamar, and this is Rakisha behind me.
Hey, we're twinning.
Yeah,
Shades wise.
as always. So we are going up in the hills to our mother-in-law. I'm going up to my mother-in-law,
We're going to my mother.
and she's going to our mother. You know, I'm gonna see what she have in the barrel for me. so anyway, guys, we will meet you there. I hope today will be an excited vlog. I will be in charge today. Someone will get left out, so
I don't mind.
Really?
Something.
okay. So I will be in charge. As you can see, do you like my hair? My hair, you know, very nice,
Simple myself.
curly. You know, real African hair. You know, real curls. I'm not talking about you know, fake curls, real curls. I'm
So
real
what
from
curls?
you.
Where?
She's
Don't play around, guys. These are real. This
so,
is just water.
You know, I'm gonna do, guys. For the next vlog, we're gonna do something different. I think I'm gonna do
Mommy.
we're gonna do a DNA test
Mommy.
to find out our ancestor
Ali.
backgrounds. So I can sure 100% that
It's not
Rakisha.
DNA. It's ancestry.
I don't care. You have to do DNA same way.
The ancestry DNA.
So
like,
I'm gonna find out
you
if
make it sound funny just now.
really I'm gonna find out if you are from Scottish or something. Guys, I just have a feeling that she's from Scottish. She's not even African.
Why is it that?
She's not.
Of course,
African.
it's semi-black.
No, black don't have nothing to do. African don't have that kind of hair.
Yes.
Don't you agree with me, guys? African have real
hair.
nice hair.
And they have different tribes.
But
I'm from one of these.
everybody from African look the same and act the same.
So you're trying to tell me say
you're not even you're from.
what kind of nonsense?
You're from Scottish, Irish. Anyway, guys, I will see you up in the hills. You know, I don't want to give you the same vlog, same boring road to go up. You already know our road. It's long and boring. So when we reach up, guys, I will show you what's inside the barrel. So what's up, guys? You know, I have just arrived. You know, up in the hills, right? Sun got me away. Sun burned me bad. As you can see, guys, I'm just here, right? So I just sneezed it. Sun burned me up bad, as you can see. Sun burns all over. But I arrived just now. Trust me, it wasn't an easy journey. Journey was extra long. Right, so anyway, we reached safe, and we're glad that we reached safe. And now I'm gonna just go inside and see if I can get something to eat and drink.
Guys, so I am so exhausted. The journey was so long. I was just here relaxing. Yeah. So now I'm going to go around the back. Where?
No boy. Give me some of my money now for you look rich, man. Hey. I'm rich, you know.
This is my mother. Say hi, mommy. Mommy.
They have it. Oh God.
Yeah, a video. They don't like to be the camera and the spotlight, so you don't hear. She has some video to buy them.
So video mama. Video mama ask her what she cook.
Mama cooking in the kitchen, so
Video.
that's just so good.
I see you pretty hair, good mother. So
Alright, so this is where I grew up. This lovely house. And ting. And none of the people don't like to be me. So I'm not gonna bother with that. See what I'm saying? This is my room. My old room. People always just, where you go in night? See camera upon me. They're gonna see camera upon me. You see it? Why? Then people are just rough. Rough. Huh? nobody don't like to be in a camera, so you know that everybody they're not used to it, and you know, we're not really force them to be like you know. So this is basically what our day will be like today. We're not going to get a lot of footage from here because you know everybody's camera shy and nobody know why I camera more. So that is what is happening. We walked all the way here because no taxi was on the road. So it was a very long journey. And I feel sweaty and stuff. Yeah. Pot smell like it cooked down good though. So mama cook. Oh yeah, cook mama. A pork? Oh.
I piece of chicken back with one piece of
Yeah. Hear that?
I put no pork with that. It's got now so cut the sharp of a piece.
Eh.
I don't pork with that pork with it.
Kagil.
So,
Let's go on and keep it. So let's see everybody now. That's my family. And thing. We just are going to be a kind of tiring one sleep. How about you, love? Asleep? You gonna sleep already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sun burn me out.
Sun drunk me, man. Sun drunk me, but the vlog not gonna be long like before. But I hope you guys still enjoy it and stuff. My family is not all about the camera life, so you know, get a lot of footage from them and stuff. I would have to catch them off guard. But you know, can't violate the people in like that if they don't want to be in it. Understand?
yeah.
That's a little bit, you know.
As you can see, we're here. Nice food. Right, good food. Long time I haven't eaten any good food like this. You can see Rakisha there. She won't eat that off, I know. So, guys, I'm gonna just shell this. I'm gonna shell this fast. Sweet yellow yam, Jamaica yellow yam. You know, nice food, strong, make it fast like you see them both, strong and healthy. You know, just see when I finish, cause I don't like to talk when I'm eating. I don't want to bite my tongue.
She got all the road I back.
No, I'm gonna have to get going. I want some of this grass.
Okay. I right time you pull them up, you know. Along, if you can pull up when you come now, this you go with the water, the pan. If I in need, I know you see this stone there. Have you catch down there? A nice stone there.
Nice same spot.
You know, one lock on it, you don't pick up
So
stone.
turn on the camera.
Alright. Alright,
So
sir.
those are
The
my
last time we locked the plant in
my
the
grandma
catch and the
uncle and aunt and my grandpa.
But I think if you plant some down it,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have to take care of it. You don't want nobody spraying
For the grass, not true.
long grass.
And then now you have the goat them. No?
No, but not really matter. Go them trying to. You can't kill it.
Oh.
Go night. Go night.
Oh, when I came.
Sometimes.
Oh, Friday na because I'm boxing. They might tell us that they're gone, mama. Mama, PC. Mama, PC too. No. Can I put them in here? Because they match you.
What are you
So nice. Stop pop off your clothes, Kim. You go pop your and then you start look funny.
Is this done? It's not good in pants, so. Guys, put the water funny. Funny wash out from here 2 times. So that will be done.
Oh boy, beautiful evening.
Home, as you can see, we're home, right? But the reason why the vlog got so short because the night came so fast, right? And when I was out by Rakisha grandparents, there wasn't a lot of footage because we were not our persons there were not in any good mood for us to vlog, right? So we have to just use what we have. Anyway, we are home, right? And remember I told you guys that we're gonna get a barrel luggage. So we have gotten our luggage and we only gonna give you guys a small little peep, right? And just show you what we got. Anyway, I just want to say it was a lovely day and I enjoyed. So as you can see, Rakisha is going in. Hey, right?
This is my suitcase. Guys.
So as you can see, this is her suitcase. Everything in there is hers, right? So I haven't gotten anything.
Yes, you have.
What?
You have gotten this.
Only one thing, that's it. But everything else is yours. But mine still don't need to take it out because it's just a souvenir. I'm not gonna wear it.
This is my jacket.
Yeah.
It's a lovely jacket. Yep.
So much
A
things.
blouse.
And
I don't want to unfold everything
we
because
have some cute little lights here. These lights are very good. I can see. Wow, extra bright. I think this is a good thing. I can stick them onto my phone back. I can stick them to my phone back for videoing purpose.
Really?
Yeah,
It's
can
too
stick.
big
No,
for people from that way.
look, them can stick on there so.
Really?
I'm sure it work like. Turn on the light like so, and you can see. Look at.
Oh.
I watch out.
Wow.
I'm gonna show you something. Look, see, you guys want like a indicator come when you turn on the light. See? Okay,
Wow. Okay.
this is really good. So I don't want this. I want from my phone. Just see this.
That is interesting because we never did a thing about that like
So,
that.
can show you.
Oh, you have the sticky
Yeah, you can
pad.
stick on it,
The
you can
sticky
stick
pad
on it.
area on it. Yeah.
Mhm.
These are like how much what? Like light switch cordless
Look at the
lights.
difference. Look at the difference. Look at that.
Oh, then turn it on then now.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're going to use that from
Wow,
here.
really good, man.
These are some tops.
Oh, this is for rock. I said I haven't got anything. The one thing that I wanted, I didn't got. So I'm out of luck.
Okay.
Right, so.
This is a scalp massage shampoo brush. So this is for my hair. These are some perfumes. You have VIP and Always Sexy. Yes. Some miniature perfumes. Hair fertilizer. Something for hair again. All these are for hair. Hair. I've always wanted this. Some mission do this no comedy probably won't put in a vlog my channel. But anyways, I've always wanted this. Is a microfiber wrap for your hair, like after you wash your hair and stuff. Just wrap it up.
But you don't have to go to everything. I just wanted.
Yeah, so we got
a nice little handbag
so
there.
this is hold on. This is a side bag. So cute. Like
Yeah.
I love this.
But this is nice. I just wanted the persons to show what we got. So you don't really have to. You don't have to do everything. Don't undo everything. So people, right? So so that's it, guys. I just want to say we enjoy our day today, and there's so much more things, right, out there for us to do, right? It's in the right time and the right place. But trust me, guys, good vlogs are coming. I can tell you. Now we're stepping up our thing. We're going all out, right? We're gonna have on our vlog channel lot of episodes of traveling around Jamaica, right? And you will have previews and excited moments. All you have to do, guys, is just stick around, right? So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Just tear up the like button, rip it up. You know, remember to subscribe, share it, right? And tell what you think down in the comment box, right? And if you want us to do a certain vlog, then you guys can request it, and we will try our best to save towards those vlogs, because you know that vlog costs money, so we have to save just to vlog so that you guys can enjoy our life and, you know, be happy. So become a part of the Gordonz squad and tear up that subscribe button, right? I'm your boy Kemar, and Rakisha is there. Say,
Excited.
so, and she's gonna be in that suitcase tonight, so right? So
Let's go, massage.
I'm out. See you.